Hey, it's Jason here. Welcome back to this third video in the copywriting series here in Module 2. We're going to be talking about what we call secret leads, which is also our third framework for creating copy. Okay. Now, this one is going to be where having the book Great Leads is going to really help you out because they go into real in-depth case studies and analyses of the secret lead. And these ones are for most people, and even for myself. As I first started writing these were the hardest to write. And what I found is when you really start to master this lead type, it tends to be the one that will actually convert the best, because what comes out of this usually is more creative, more unique, more bigger ideas that that just catch people's attention. They tend to be stuff that is not typically seen, and so one of the things that you have to combat when you're writing ads is whether people have seen something similar or not, because our brains, when we're scanning things, what we'll do is we'll kind of turn and shut things off if we think we've seen it before. All right, so it's really important that you get the secret leads down, because if you can master this lead in this copy framework, you'll be able to create ads that are more successful and sell more than if you stick to the first two frameworks. Now, you can be really successful with the first two, but you can take things to kind of the next level when you get the secret lead. Now, what I'm not a huge master of this yet. I still have room for improvement. So what I'm going to try to do is simplify this and boil it down to the essence of how I understand it and how I write these secret leads. And then if you want to learn more about it, I would highly recommend that you get the Great Leads book. It sits. I have a bookshelf right behind me. Oftentimes that book is off the bookshelf and on my desk, and I'm rereading through that as I'm writing these. Okay, so the essence of the secret lead is you want to take something that is unique within the product, and then you want to turn that into this thing that it can kind of become like a secret, like something that other people don't know, and that this secret is going to provide the benefit that they're looking to have. Okay, so let me give you an example with McLean Masterworks here. The Jennifer McLean, the owner of the company, her product is actually called Success Signature, and what she's identified over the years in business is that everybody has their own unique success signature, and her system is all about cultivating and communicating that success signature to people, and people that have mastered that through her training. There's been several people that have built multi-million-dollar companies by understanding their success signature, cultivating that success signature, and then conveying that to their audience in a way that allows them to be unique and provide massive benefit. Okay, so what I did was I wanted to kind of turn that thing into a secret. All right, so I started with some curiosity elements, because with her success signature system, she had only been teaching that to private clients, and she just rolled out this program that she's selling her success signature training on a webinar. And so that was the reason that they had hired us, was they wanted to roll this out and start to scale it. So this program had been previously unavailable to the public. So I wanted to create some curiosity to this secret beforehand, and that's why I came up with this flagging or this pre-headline basically, where we start off by saying previously sealed off from the public eyes. So it creates this curiosity when somebody sees that. It's not something that they normally see in a headline. So it kind of piques people's interest and gets them to read the next sentence. All right. So then that's where I introduce the secret piece. So the success signature has built several multi-million-dollar companies. Is yours next? Okay, so now what we've done is we've created this curiosity, then we've kind of steamrolled that curiosity and pushed it down the hill by introducing this success signature, and that it's built several multi-million-dollar companies. Now, remember, we're trying to attract people that are real business owners that want to grow their business substantially. So that appeal of building a multi-million-dollar company that's going to appeal to our correct audience. And so now the right person is reading this and they want to know what is this success signature? And then we're even asking them further, is your company next? So now what we've done is we've pulled them into the copy, we've created this success signature and set it up as a secret, and we've shown that it's been responsible for creating the benefit that our ideal audience wants, and now we've also created even more curiosity by letting them know that, hey, this thing that was previously unavailable to the public, it's now available because they can, we're asking them, is yours next? It's available. All right, so that's how I created that particular headline. Then again, we're writing this as a newsfeed ad. We're going to have our image here. This is the post text. Then this is our link headline. All right, so here again, I want to ask a question, and I'm just asking a question that pulls out. It creates curiosity and pulls out the ideal audience. So, will your business thrive in 2015? Only people who own a business can answer yes to that question. And so I want to make sure that we have the highest probability of the right eyes viewing this ad. We don't want curiosity seekers that aren't business owners seeing this ad. So, that's why we've got this copy about building multi-million-dollar companies, business here, will your business. We want to make sure that we're trying to get as many business owners on this as possible. All right. And then we've got the same link description as the previous two ads. I explained why we do that in the last video, but just to recap, we need to have a constant between the ads so that we're isolating the variables between the ads to the headline and the link headline so we can tell which copy is working better in your audience or not. And the reason we do three different sets of copy with these three different hooks is this by doing this, we're going to find the appeal that works to the broadest audience within your particular market, and that's really what we want to do. Now, we may find that more than one of these appeals works within your KPIs, and that's awesome. If that's the case, then what you can do is you can run both ads at the same time, and you can pick up people that this appeal will work with, and you can pick up people that this appeal will work with, and you can scale by having multiple appeals. All right, so this gives you a lot of flexibility in moving forward, and it allows you to find the right hook and the right copy that's going to work on at least a wide scale within your audience. All right, so now go ahead and start writing your copy, get your copy down, and I'll see you in the next video.